Well, hello everyone. This is Tesla Travis. I'm coming to you live here from a supercharger, charging up my car. I got the high usage supercharger station, 80%, so I switched it to 90. Good deal. Well, as the video states, there was a crash that my car had caught on camera, and it's an interesting story. You know, this seems to be coming out a lot in the media, these different dash cam, side camera views of different things going on. So this is kind of what happened to me. I was driving down the street and I was going to pick up somebody in my car, and I was stopped at a light about 3 cars back from the light, and I was sitting there. There was a crash in the intersection, and I didn't necessarily see the crash. I just heard a big boom, and so I looked up and pieces were flying, and these cars got in an accident in the intersection and people were getting out of their cars. I drove through the intersection when the light turned green and pulled over to see what was going on, and I noticed within 30 seconds a cop pulled up. He must have been really close, and everybody seemed to be okay, you know, shaken up, kind of a violent hit, but everybody got out of the car and were talking, so it didn't seem too bad. But this is the footage on my dash cam and my side camera that caught the accident. So it was kind of crazy. I was just kind of last minute going to pick up somebody, and kind of random. And as I was sitting at this light and this wreck happened, I completely forgot about my dash cam recording. I drove off later that day. I had remembered, hey, my car records. I wonder if it had recorded the crash. So I got home and thought, hey, let's go check my USB drive. And so I went out, got the USB drive out, put it in my computer, and there was the wreck. And I noticed it was like a perfect view of the wreck as far as telling who was at fault. It showed the light that was green and turned to yellow. It showed the person oncoming that apparently ran the red light and crashed into the white SUV. It was a black SUV and a white SUV, and they crashed, T-boned kind of in the middle of the intersection. And so it totally showed who was at fault and exactly what happened. And I know in these situations, a lot of times, different people have different stories, right? Different points of view. So I thought this could be used. So I was wondering how to get the footage to who needs it. So I called actually first we went to the local city Facebook page and posted online, if you were in this accident at this time on this street, we have footage of it if you need it. And there was a lot of people on Facebook chiming in that they were there, or they knew about it, or they had a friend that was close to it and saw it, but the actual person in the accident didn't post yet. But it was getting a lot of talk, and they wanted me to post the video, which I did not, because apparently in this city chat, if you post videos of accidents or things like that, they kick you out. So I was really trying to get a hold of the person it happened to so I could email it to him. So finally this lady posted, hey, it was me. And there was a big dispute over whose fault it was. There was 2 ladies driving, and each one was blaming the other one for running a red light, and the cop didn't know who to believe. And I said, well, I have footage, and it shows exactly what happened. I go, if I knew the accident was going to happen, I would have put my car in this place to record it. I was like in the perfect spot. So the lady was very happy. She was very shaken up over the accident and very frustrated. She had said the other lady that hit her did not have any car insurance and had a suspended license. So she needs this video not to just show the police, but also to show her insurance, right? So her rates don't go up. So wow. So I emailed her the video, and she was so happy and so thankful. And this really helps her out to see what happened for herself, and also for her insurance company and the police. So wow, what an amazing thing these cameras can do, record, right? We're seeing these more and more that can help out in many situations. I had called the local police department, and they had given me the email to the officer that was in charge of the case, and I emailed him the video, and he called me the next day and was very thankful, said, thank you for sending this. The 2 ladies were blaming each other for running the red light, and I didn't know who to believe, and this gives me an exact view of what exactly happened. So thank you very much. He took my information just because I recorded the video, and they need to contact me for anything. But the police were happy, the people in the accident were happy, and it just randomly, I remembered later that night after the accident that, oh, my car records, I wonder if it's on there. And it was. So as these videos are coming out more and more, they're helping out all kinds of situations, whether it be good situations, funny situations, accidents that happen, vandalism, pretty much anything, you know. So whether the car's driving or it's parked, you know, the cameras record. So, you know, it's kind of a flipped coin, right? It's like, well, we record to catch things, but then also, you know, everybody's recording us. It's kind of creepy, right? But I guess that's the world we live in. So anyway, just wanted to share that with everybody online, that, you know, any kind of dash cam, side cameras on your Tesla are really helpful in many different situations. So this one really helped out. So I thought I'd share my experience. So that's the story. So we'll make another video. I have a video coming up of when I first bought my car and I surprised my kids with it. I'll do that video next. So anyway, this is Tesla Travis signing off. So take care and have a great day.